Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Nothing Phone 1 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can turn off auto screen rotation in your phone Nothing Phone 1. First of all, open any app in your phone. Here I open Google Chrome. When I try to rotate my phone, see what happens. Screen is also rotated. If you want to stop this rotation, you can do it. For that, what you have to do is just go to the notification area, and here swipe like this. You will have auto rotate option. Just click it and it will turn off. Now go to the same app Google Chrome and try to rotate your phone. Now screen is not rotated because it is fixed. Already you have done it. If you want to have the screen rotation, and again go to the notification area and just turn it on, and auto rotate will be active. Now go to the same app and try to rotate your phone. Screen will be rotated. In the landscape itself also you can turn it off. So go here and turn off auto rotate, and it will be rotated to portrait. So in this way you can easily control auto rotate in your phone Nothing Phone 1. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.